It's Sunny Beach Life, the channel dedicated to Sunny Beach in Bulgaria, and we go down the beach. It's really windy, but Susan gets in the sea. I managed to get my drone up, that's amazing. And then we head off, have a bit of tea in the resort, something to eat, and then we head down Flower Street and the central part, show you what it's like in the evening again in August. And top of 10.
Top of 10 from a windy Thursday in sunny Beach.
I was getting my drone up by the jetty and I thought I was going to fly over the sea and do some shots of the boats, but they're not running because it's just too rough.
Yeah, look at that sea, it's so rough. Anyway, I want to go to the beach for an hour. Andrew wants to come and fly the drone and do a bit of filming, so we're incorporating both.
Yeah, there's a standard northeasterly wind we get here on this part of the coast, so it's blowing along the shore. It's a yellow flag for caution for inflatable toys, etc. But it's quite safe. It's blowing on the beach as such, not blowing out the sea.
Yeah. So I'm going in the sea. I'm going to enjoy myself for an hour reading, and Andrew's going to do whatever it is Andrew does.
Yeah, I have my drone up here by the Neptune, I think. I'll be able to get out the wind there, a bit more sheltered.
Oh. So see you in a minute, everybody.
I really was amazed how I managed to get my drone up in this really strong wind, and the quality of the film that I got from it is fantastic. You can't even tell it's windy. Look at this, it's really smooth. Really performed well. So behind me is the paid zone. We're in front of the Neptune Beach Hotel. These lounges behind me are 10 leather, the brollies are 10 leather. So a pair of you sitting there, it's going to cost you 30 leather for the day. They're sitting actually just in front of the free ones for the Neptune Beach Hotel. So if you're at Neptune Beach, you get a brolly, you can sit there all day. That's fantastic in a hotel lounger on the beach. But with the sand whipping up like it is occasionally today, that's why you need sunglasses on. There's a lot of sand blowing across the beach. Probably better off in the beach bar and around the pool, to be honest, than you are on the beach. Great thing is tomorrow could be completely the opposite. We could have no wind, it could be absolutely fantastic tomorrow. But of course it'll be burning hot. This wind is keeping the temperature down. Still really, really warm, but it's more pleasant with a breeze on the beach. Much, much nicer. I'm not sure I'm going to capture this really well on the camera, but if you look behind me in the distance of volleyballs net over there, you can see the haze, which is obviously the sand, bit of a sandstorm being whipped up. It's really windy today, never mind. And if you're enjoying the video, Nitisny Butona, hit the like button. Really helps the video spread on YouTube. Thanks a lot.
Well, that was lovely out there, but it's a bit choppy, I must say. But it was great jumping through the waves. But I did my hair this morning. I don't think that was the best idea, was it? But hey ho, I am on the beach. So you can have fun when you come to the beach, everybody. Now I'm going to lay down and read my book. Well, we've got a bit peckish after being on the beach, so we thought, oh, we'll have something to eat. So we'll come to Shrek. These grills are always so nice and very reasonably priced as well. Ready? Oh, well, doesn't this look nice? We've just got a little mini feast. We've got some beans with potatoes and we've got a chicken steak. And we're going to share this because obviously we're not big eaters, and we've got a bottle of Fanta because Andrew's driving and I had too much drink for my birthday. So we're going to tuck in. And the other interesting thing coming to Shrek is we've come past a lot. What is it, 6:30, Andrew? We've come past a lot of restaurants and they are empty. You come to the grill and it is absolutely heaving. So they're very reasonable price, probably that's why. And what I forgot to say was, in total, this is 18 left 20. So that's really reasonable, isn't it? What's that? About £7. Andrew will do the equation for you and put it on the film.
Well, as you can see, I've cleared my plate. I don't normally eat a lot of beans, but the bean salad was very, very nice. Potatoes with it as well, very tasty. Chicken had, well, I don't know, the coating upon is absolutely gorgeous. So that'll keep us going for a little while till we get home and have our proper tea. But we're going to have a little walk round first.
7 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah, loads of music, street artists, lots happening. The thing is, in another hour, when it gets dark, it'll completely change again. Much, much better as it gets dark. Also, the all-inclusive hotels, a lot of people are still eating. They're not out for the night yet, still quite early. Because Flower Street does go on till quite late. It's on. So it's August, it's really busy, it's rammed with people. You can see everywhere we look, loads and loads of people. It's really funny because it can get a bit too hectic, too manic, and I go, oh, I can't cope with this, it's just so busy. There's so many people. Going back to May when it was just opening up and there was just the odd person around, it was very chilled, it was very quiet, very calm. Everything moved very slowly. Now it's the opposite, being August, everything's going really, really fast. Lots of people, lots of music. But it's only going to be about another 4 weeks when we get to September and it's going to slow down again. That's the time we really love, but it's a little bit slower. Not long to go, and this will completely change speed again, from the fast to the slow.
Oh, well, we was going home after our meal at Shrek, but then we thought, well, we're out now, let's have a walk up Flower Street. And wow, what a nice evening we're having. We made it to the jetty now, and I'm having to hold on to my hat because it's still windy and blustery, but it doesn't feel that cold. It's still 29 degrees on the magic board at 8 o'clock. So that's brilliant, isn't it? So, yeah, it's lovely. Got to have a walk on the jetty.
That again. Well, before I came out today, I actually set up a mission for my drone on my controller at home. I was going to fly out there, I was going to film the jetty, looking back, looking at the ferry boats, going to Nessebar, one sitting there, and obviously there's no ferry boats today. They don't run when it's rough. Forecast tomorrow is also the same amount of wind, so it's Thursday now, it's not going to be till Saturday before we can get a boat out there to film again. Bit of a shame, but the thing is, in Sunny Beach, we can always find something else to film, because we'll find it. Not a problem. Could even be these flipping seagulls, which are really annoying at the moment. When I do a piece of time-lapse photography like that bit I've just shown you, it takes 15 minutes. It takes a shot every 2 seconds. It's so windy, we've had to be hanging onto the camera and the tripod, holding it absolutely still for 15 minutes. I could tell you that's just felt like 45 minutes. That's the most boring 15 minutes I've ever spent. We're normally sat in a cafe or having a coffee or a beer and letting the camera roll. We've had to hold it the whole 15 minutes. Oh, that's the only one of those I'm doing tonight. When I do a piece of time-lapse photography like that bit I've just shown you, it takes 15 minutes. It takes a shot every 2 seconds. It's so windy, we've had to be hanging onto the camera and the tripod, holding it absolutely still for 15 minutes. I could tell you that's just felt like 45 minutes. That's the most boring 15 minutes I've ever spent. Well, continuing on the wind theme, it's still quite breezy in Jack's, but luckily nothing's blowing away, so we're okay. We can have a drink. I haven't even got to hold the tripod now. It's calmed down a little bit.
Yeah, not much though. Anyway, I'm still behaving myself. I'm on orange.
Yeah, because we only come down for an hour or so to do a film this afternoon. We're going home. It's stretched into the evening, and Susan's she's going to drive home so I can have a beer.
Yeah, isn't that good of me? I did have too much though the other night on my birthday.
Yeah, so it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao ciao from Jack's, everybody.
Yeah, see you again later.
Bye.
The strawberry. We're always filming in Sunny Beach because we live here. We show the entire year as well as the summer season. So if you don't want to miss any of our videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.